Hi guys, this is Atif and you're watching Moon Triple Three, where I'm posting the trading ideas in different assets and also educational stuff, and especially on the cryptocurrency. And the information I'm providing here in this video is for educational purpose only. This is not intended to be investment advice, so please seek a duly licensed professional for investment advice. In my previous video of IOTA US dollar, I posted this chart where the IOTA was forming, even the IOTA had formed a bullish butterfly pattern, and this was the pattern, and the price action was entered in the potential reversal zone. So I just predicted that because the last leg of the bullish butterfly can be from 1.27 up to 1.618 Fibonacci. It can be retraced or extended between this level. So I just predicted that within this potential reversal zone, the price action will take the bullish divergence and hit the projection area of A to D leg, that is 0.382 to 0.786 Fibonacci. And I just posted this idea on 3rd of December. This was a week chart, and as much the chart is bigger, the formation or the chart can be more stronger and firm. Now I'm just playing the idea, then you can see that the price action took the bullish divergence and hit this sell zone from 0.382 up to 0.786 Fibonacci. This was our stop loss point also, because if a complete candlestick closes below this potential reversal zone, I always suggest to take exit from the trade. But no candlestick has been closed below this potential reversal zone. We have only some spikes beyond this potential reversal zone that can be ignored and acceptable. And so far, the price action has produced more than 37% profit. So congratulations for the people who were entered in IOTA here, so they can take the exit. Or if you want to take a look on the long-term analysis, what is going to happen next, and what the price action is going to do next. So let's take a look at that. First, I'm taking you again to the live chart of IOTA. This time I'm taking you to the Binance chart, because on Binance, the IOTA's volume is much largest than the other exchanges. And therefore, I'm also sharing the link of the Binance exchange in the video's description, so you can find you can create, if you don't have account there, you can create your account there by clicking on that link. And I'm also sharing the link of Tradingview in the video's description, so you can find my all charts which I have published on the Tradingview. When you will be on the Tradingview, just need to select the people option from here and write my name, Moon 333. You'll find my portal, my link, and after clicking on this link, you'll find my all charts, and you can also find from here, from the search option, like if you write IOTA, you'll find my all IOTA charts. For example, this is IOTA Bitcoin, and you can also find IOTA US dollar charts like this. So I'm just taking you to the live chart, IOTA US dollar Tether on Binance. All right, this is the live chart, the week chart of IOTA US dollar Tether of Binance Exchange. And previously we've seen that the IOTA had formed a descending triangle. Uh, I think I should also open my previous article to show you what I predicted in my previous article. So this was the article. All right, here you can see on 3rd of December, I just posted this chart, and you can see the IOTA had formed a descending triangle. But after when the price action moved more down and extended the leg up to, because at that time it was retraced up to 1.27. Now it is retraced up to 1.618 Fibonacci. Therefore, it is now changed from descending triangle up to now to the falling wedge. This is the upper resistance of the wedge. And this is the support of this wedge. All right, price action is bounced from the support of the wedge, and now it is moving up. If we see the moving averages, for example, I've already created a template for the moving averages. So it is very easy, very good feature of TradingView. Just need to create a template where you can place different indicators, and you don't need to place the indicators for different charts again and again every time. So I have just placed the moving averages in this template, and you can see all the moving averages. I don't need to put the moving averages again, and they're already placed on the chart. So this is the 25 moving average, this is 50 moving average, this is 100 moving average, sorry, this is 99. I'm just changing the time period to the 100, even though there is not a big difference between 99 and 100, but I'm just changing it. So this is the 100 moving average, and this is the 200 moving average. Now you can see the 25 moving average on day chart has crossed down the price action and lifting the price action up. After that, the 50 moving average has crossed down the price action, and now the 100 moving average is likely to cross down the price action here, and the 200 moving average is moving very steeply down to cross down the price action. So uh, I'm expecting that the moving averages soon will form in an alligator mouth, like is moving up. The 25 moving average will be above all moving averages. Then we will have the 50 moving average. Then we will have the 100 moving average, and the 200 moving average will be moved down, and it will be below all the moving averages. So a crocodile mouth will be, sorry, the alligator mouth will be open, and it will lift the price action up as it has been lifting the price action up in the previous history of IOTA. And the price action definitely, whenever the alligator mouth open of the moving averages, uh, the price action take a very powerful bullish divergence. But this time we have strong chances that the price action may have a breakout from the upper resistance of this falling wedge. All right, now let's move to the week chart again. All right, now see that what is the next resistance level for us. Sorry, this is the pattern. I'm just removing these trying tools. All right. Our next resistance level is this one. That is around at here at 49.15 cents. This is our next resistance level. Once the price action will have a breakout from this resistance, then our strong and key level resistance is at 49 cents. The price action may hit the 49 cents resistance. And if we see my most favorite indicator, the MACD, MACD, on this week chart, and we can have an idea then how the indicators are turning bullish. And now you can see finally we have almost a a bull cross is formed almost it is formed on between the moving averages of the MACD or moving average conversion divergence indicators, and the histogram is turning bullish. You can see it was strong bearish in dark red, and now the histogram is in a dull red color. And here we have the biggest bar. This is the small bar, and this is the most smallest bar. And I'm expecting that the next bar will be appeared in dark green color, or the strong bullish that is a strong bullish indicator. So here you can, like this one, like we have here, strong bullish indication, like this is the strong bullish indication. So this is getting squeezed, and the next bar can be, I'm expecting there is strong expectations that the next bar it will be strong bullish, and we will have a complete bull cross between these two lines. And if I place the stochastic, that is also very much important indicator to see how the price action is turning bullish or bearish. And here we can see after some price correction, the MACD has given us the bull cross, and it is moving up. It is just entered in the body of the stochastic. So it is moving up, and I think this time it will move up to here, up to the oversold zone, and it will produce a strong bull rally, or at least we'll have we will see the price action will hit the 49.15 cents. It will have a strong push after breaking, after having the breakout from this resistance level. Now, if we place the volume profile, that is the most important indicator of all. I always use in my charts, and I'm just placing this indicator on the complete pattern. And we can see that here the trader's interest is decreasing below 20 cents, and here it is also decreased at 49.15 cents, where we have defined our resistance level. And above this level, you can see the trader's interest is very low. So there are less chances so far that the traders will try to trade above this level. But once the trader will trade above this level, or the candlesticks will have a breakout from this level, and the candlesticks will be closed above this level, then a new very powerful bull rally can be started. And definitely I will be keep posting the videos on the further developments on the IOTA as well. Cause at this time, if I'll show you what can happen next, that will be too much information. So far, we can just discuss up to here, and after that, when the price action will cross up this level, definitely I'll post the next analysis on the IOTA price action. But what can be the worst case scenario? For example, if the price action is not able to have a breakout from uh, this this resistance level, uh, then we can see that the price action will drop down to hit the support of this wedge again. But you can see that here we have a very less interest of the traders below this level, below almost 20 cents. So it will be very much difficult for the price action to move down below this level of 20 cents here. But if, for example, if the price action will be dropped down, then it will be only a spike. Like here we have only spikes are hitting at the support of this falling wedge, and now the price action is turning bullish and moving up. Even the point of control of this volume profile, the POC of the volume profile, is at almost 28 cents. So whenever the point of control is above or down, it sucks, or it just pull the price action towards its body or towards itself. So it is very easy for the price action to hit the 28 cents, where where we have the POC or point of control of this volume profile. And once the price action will hit the price action of the volume profile, then definitely it will provide the more push to the price action, that the price action will have a breakout from this resistance level, and after that it can hit the 49 cents, 49.15 cents. That is the key level resistance for our IOTA. If this resistance level will be broken out, then the IOTA can have a very, very powerful bullish rally. So that's all for today. Uh, Definitely, I'll be back soon with further developments of IOTA. Uh, in IOTA's price action. If you didn't subscribe to my channel, then do subscribe it and do hit the like if you like the video. Take care. Goodbye.